Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
I made this big 24 by 54 inch canvas painting for my friend and I posted its pics on Instagram. A lot of my followers have requested for a tutorial, so here we go. I'm going to make a similar painting for my friend and I'm going to paint on this 20-inch round MDF board. I didn't have a canvas and I was too lazy to go out and buy it, so I decided to use different sizes of plates to draw some inner circles. At first, I painted the whole surface with white acrylic paint and then I painted the whole surface with yellow acrylic paint. I'm going to use these acrylic pens for drawing. When you are a beginner artist, it's quite easier to draw with a pen than to paint with a brush. I can't tell you the name of the brand because it's written in some other language, but I have seen that brushstroke has released some acrylic pens. You can buy the acrylic pen set from brushstroke. Then I added some browns here and there to add some interest. Now, one of the most important thing in mandala painting is symmetry. So my secret is that I use these paper cutouts. I have these shapes cut out from a hard paper and I'm just going to put it on my surface and trace it using a pen. Now I'm going to simply draw my design using these acrylic pens. These acrylic pens are waterproof. Our painting is complete. I hope you liked it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.